Hi, friends! Do you know that the vowel sound O in book and in moon makes different sound? Let's find out how to differentiate them. Let's start with short vowel
oo,
Example:
b, oo, k,
book,
oo, d, hood. F, oo, t, foot.
Now let's look at the long vowel.
Oo,
Examples are
sp, oo, spoon. Ooh, pool. Brr, ooh, broom.
the rule to identify whether it's a long vowel sound or short vowel sound. 1. If you see a word that ends with
Letter K and letter D.
it makes the short sound
Ooh,
like look, good. 2. When the word ends in any other letter than letter K,
and letter D. It makes the long vowel sound ooh, like
groom, roof. 3. The short vowel is pronounced without a stress, while the long vowel is pronounced with a stress. Let's look at this example.
cook and cool, stood and school.
However, there are some exceptions to the rule.
Example:
Food, childhood. They have the long vowel sound even though they end with a
D.
and more other exceptions that we will look at in our next lesson. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. See you next time!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you next time on Great Kids Galaxy. Thank you. Bye-bye.